On Thursday, as Pakistan conducted its general election under heightened security measures, at least 9 individuals, including 2 children, fell victim to militant attacks across the nation. The Interior Ministry attributed the security escalation to the previous day's tragic events in Balochistan, where 2 explosions near electoral candidates' offices claimed the lives of 26 people. The Islamic State claimed responsibility for these attacks. Amidst this tense atmosphere, thousands of troops were deployed nationwide, and borders with Iran and Afghanistan were temporarily sealed. Despite these precautions, 5 policemen lost their lives in a bomb blast and gunfire during patrol duties in Dera Ismail Khan district. Additionally, 1 civilian perished in an attack on a security forces vehicle in Tank. In Balochistan, over a dozen explosions caused by grenades or improvised explosive devices claimed the life of a soldier from a civilian force and injured 10 others. Tragically, 2 children lost their lives in a blast near a women's polling station. Despite security concerns and harsh winter conditions, long queues formed at polling stations well before voting commenced. The election unfolds against the backdrop of Pakistan grappling with a severe economic crisis and deep political polarization. Many analysts anticipate a lack of a clear victor in this election. Unofficial results are anticipated shortly after polling concludes, offering insights into the nation's political direction. The decision to suspend mobile networks drew criticism from opposition leaders, including Bilawal Bhutto Zardari of the Pakistan People's Party. However, Chief Election Commissioner Sikandar Sultan Raja clarified that the move was made by law enforcement agencies in response to Wednesday's violence. Meanwhile, Imran Khan's Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf Party urged citizens to share personal Wi-Fi access, ensuring internet connectivity on this significant day. Despite such efforts, some voters expressed frustration over the suspension of mobile services. Pakistan's military, historically influential in the country's governance, has reiterated its stance of non-interference in politics. However, with analysts predicting a fragmented electoral outcome, addressing multiple challenges ahead, including securing a new IMF bailout program, poses significant hurdles for the country's leadership.